Hi, hello everyone. I hope you're having a great day. This is Dr. Edwards, DRJT Edwards on Twitter and Instagram. And what else am I on? I don't know. Just search for DRJT Edwards. I'm on Google Docs, but you can also, or Google Sheets, but you can also do this on Excel. And so I wanted to show you guys a neat way of calculating multiple rows of tweets. So this is our research study. We're looking at how American Air engages with its followers via a customer service standpoint. So all of these are frozen. So you don't have to worry about those. And then, so the first two rows are frozen, and then the first column is frozen. So no matter if you go to the end or no matter if you go all the way to the bottom, you will still see the same information. So let me go back to the beginning, and I will show you guys how to auto calculate your tweets. So I am starting in row 3, column B, and I'm clicking this first cell. Then I am pressing, I have a Mac, and so I'm pressing Shift on my keyboard, and I will scroll all the way down, all the way to row number 5302. So the end of your data, and you will click that last cell. So you always leave a space between the data, the last row of data, and then the calculation cell. So you always leave a space. So I'm going up to the auto sum or the sigma, and it says sum. So you will choose sum, and it displays the actual formula. Then press return. And just like that, it automatically calculates how many tweets were sent by American Airlines in response to customer concerns. So in one day, they posted over 398 either original messages, or these are mostly replies. So because we have multiple cells, so this is demographics and engagement, this is crisis focus purpose of the tweets, and we have call to action. And those are the formulas, or excuse me, those are the frequencies that we have. So you will hover over the box in the lower right hand corner until it becomes a cross, and then you will click it, and all you have to do is drag. So as you can see, it is providing some more data for me. So it based on the formula from column, or from cell 5304, column B, then it is automatically calculating the rest of the cells based on that formula for all of the rows. So as you can see, out of 398 tweets, only 4 of them actually included a crisis hashtag. Only 16 of them included a general hashtag, and none of them were in Spanish or another language. Also, 162 of the 398 focused on public anxiety or easing public anxiety. 102 of the total number of tweets actually included, hey, send us a direct message. So I will make sure that we can see the other rows. Oops, I'm too far. Okay, to see the other rows, and so based on that formula, we'll drag again, and then you will be able to see the rest of the data. So 26 of the total number wanted people to respond via tweet, 5 of them wanted to respond via phone, and 58 of them actually stated sorry for this frustrating experience, etc. And 44 of them included a suggestion, and then 35 included forwarding to another department. And only 2 out of the total number, I think it was 398, actually included the name or the initials of the person who was sending the message on behalf of American Airlines. So it's interesting, very, very interesting. But if you have any questions about this, please let me know. But again, I clicked the first or the last line of actual data. I left a row in between, and then I did the auto sum, which is right up here. And then based on that, I made sure that that formed a cross or a, I don't know, it's a cross, and then you drag it over, and that auto calculates everything else. But I hope this is helpful for someone. If it is, please share it out, and also follow me on Twitter. I'm DRJT Edwards. If you have any other social media research questions, please let me know. But I'm also affiliated with the Texas Social Media Research Institute, and they are at TSMRI. I will speak with you guys soon. Have the most amazing day ever.